Welcome to our channel. Today we how to back up your Optimizely experiments and variations, detailed guide step by step clearly. To back up your Optimizely experiments and variations, start by logging into your Optimizely account. Navigate to the dashboard where your active experiments are displayed. Select the experiment you want to back up. Click on the experiment to open its detailed view. Locate the Variations tab at the top of the experiment overview page. Review the variations listed under this tab. For each variation, manually note down the key details such as name, weight, and description. Next, open a spreadsheet application to create a backup file. Label the columns with terms like variation name, weight, and description. Begin entering the details you noted from the Optimizely. Continue this process for all variations within the experiment. After documenting all variations, move to the Goals tab within the experiment. List the goals associated with each variation in your spreadsheet. Ensure all performance metrics linked to these goals are also recorded. To preserve settings and customizations, take screenshots of the experiment setup. Capture any configurations, integrations, or custom code that you have added. Compile these screenshots into a dedicated folder on your computer. Consider exporting experiment data by checking for any available export options within Optimizely. Follow the prompts to download the experimental data as a CSV or JSON file if applicable. Store the spreadsheet and screenshots in a secure location, such as a cloud storage service or an external hard drive. Make sure to label this backup clearly for easy retrieval in the future. Regularly schedule backups to ensure all new experiments and variations are documented. By following these steps, you can maintain a comprehensive backup of your Optimizely experiments and variations. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.